Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Are you looking for a simple, science-backed way to fuel your body and brain? You might be surprised to learn that the answer could be sardines. These little fish might not seem glamorous, but they're packed with an incredible nutritional punch that makes them a true superfood. First, let's talk about why sardines are so good for you. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acid, your brain's most cherished food, helping to keep your mind sharp and your heart healthy. They're also one of nature's richest sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that's essential for strong bones, a resilient immune system, and even a balanced mood. And don't forget calcium. Sardines are an excellent source, making them a great option even if you're skipping dairy. Here's the kicker. Sardines aren't just good for your body, they're good for the planet too. They're one of the most sustainable seafood options available. When you choose your sardines, you're nourishing your body and helping to protect our environment. A win-win. Now I know what you might be thinking. How do I eat sardines if I'm not a fan of their strong flavor? Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to enjoy them. Start small by topping them on whole grain crackers with a squeeze of lemon or mustard. Or try mixing them into a fresh salad with avocado and greens. If you're feeling adventurous, toss them into a pasta dish with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan for a Mediterranean twist. Once you give them a try, you may be surprised at how delicious and satisfying they are. So give sardines a go and let me know what you think. And don't forget to share this tip with someone who could use a little health boost. Simple, nutritious, and sustainable. That's the power of sardines. Thank you so much for watching. Share this message with others so they can benefit too.